usapang ganda naman, hindi lang dapat panlabas ang ating inaalagaan dahil mahirap magpaka-fresh kung sa loob naman uminom ka water tapos meron siyang cucumbers. Namimilipit ka na, oo. Alamin ang tungkol sa PMS. Di ba Oo, PMS. At kung paano ito haharapin. Dito yan sa Girl Things.
Ever wondered why one day, super chill ka, and then the next day, emotional, and then biglang magiging hungry, annoyed, and your tummy hurts pa? Yep. Welcome to the world of PMS, aka premenstrual syndrome. We have this fun but kinda annoying fact. According to studies, about 3 in every 4 women, that's around 75% experience PMS symptoms at some point in their life. It usually shows up 1 to 2 weeks before your period. And it's most common among women in their late teens to early 30s daw. Yan na yung our hormones go wild and they bring some not so fun side effects like mood swings, cramps, cravings, fatigue, bloating, headaches, tender breast, anxiety, and minsan, iyak for no reason. Hi. But don't worry. Here are practical and pangmasa tips to manage PMS at home. No fancy stuff, just real help. Tip number 1, use heat therapy. Hot compress on your lower abdomen can do wonders. It helps relax your muscles and eases menstrual cramps. Walang heating pad? No problem. Use a warm water bottle or even a sock filled with rice and microwaved. Ingat lang ha! Tip number 2, move your body kahit konti lang. Exercise might sound like a hassle during PMS, but even light stretching or a short walk can help. Why? Kasi it releases endorphins, your body's natural painkillers and mood boosters. Tip number 3, eat smart, not just sweets. Yes, I know, lahat tayo, we all crave chocolates, and that's okay. But, try adding foods rich in magnesium and vitamin B6, gaya ng bananas, leafy greens, and nuts. They help reduce bloating and irritability. Balance lang, sister ko. Tip number 4, stay hydrated and cut down on caffeine. Water helps flush out bloating. And kung medyo masungit ka lately, too much coffee might be making it worse. Try switching to herbal tea or just plain tubig ka na lang muna. Tip number 5, get enough sleep. Your mood and hormones are linked. Kaya kung puyat ka, expect double the drama. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, lalo na days before your period. So, the next time PMS hits you, remember, it's not all in your head. It's your body going through real changes. So, be kind to yourself. Listen to what your body needs and maybe not exercise.
Sabi niyang gano'n. Meron pa whisper.
Asthma.
Oo, kailangan din yun.
Diba? ASMR. Oo. Pero maganda yun. Wala? ASMR! Oo.
Anyway, ganyan pala. I-treat yung mga PMS na yan. Kasi I'm not that much aware eh.
Hindi, pero maano yan eh. Parang typically nararamdaman yan bago ka pa magkakaroon.
Yeah, I do feel that naman.
Oo. And then after, nararamdaman mo pa rin siya.
Malala.
Actually. Malala, oo. Ano ba yung typically nararamdaman mo?
Sakit.